Hi everyone. So now we are going to talk about torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. Okay. So let's consider a uniform magnetic field. North pole is here, south pole is here. So like the magnetic field, the uniform magnetic field is like starting from north to south. Okay. And then we have placed one bar magnet over there. The length is 2L. That we already know. We have already learned about the magnetic dipole. Okay, so this is 2L, and the O is the center of that. Alright, so this is what is theta, this angle. So we will consider it is at an angle theta with the magnetic field. It is at an angle theta with the magnetic field. And then we will consider something that we already know, that these two magnetic poles would make, like, or there will be a force acting on those magnetic fields. So what is the property of those forces? So first one, F is equal to, I can call it as, since it is acting on the north pole, I'll call it as Fn. Fn is equal to Qm into B. So Fm is equal to Qm into B. That we know. Okay. So what is the direction of Fn in this direction? Okay. Why? It's a north pole. So it will repel the north pole. Look at this. So this is field is starting from north pole to south pole. So south pole will attract north pole. So it will be in this direction. There will be a tendency to have a movement from this direction, in this direction. Okay. Second one. What about on the south pole? On the south pole, the force will act in this direction. Okay. Because since it is a south pole, it will act in this direction. Look at this. Two forces acting, like comparatively, look at this Qm value are equal. Magnetic field is uniform. So this force and this force I would like to call it as Fs. So Fs is equal to Qm into B. So look at my point. Listen, all of you listen. So these two forces are acting along a line, look at this, in this direction and in this direction, but in the opposite direction. Okay, and also these forces would make a torque on this. So we have already learned torque in first year. What is torque and the properties of torque and how the torque is forming. And again we have learned the electric dipole and the torque acting on electric dipole when it is placed in an electric field. So now we are going to talk about this one. So I think you have got that idea, right? So these two forces act at 2 points, and then there will be a torque acting. What is this torque? This torque would try to rotate this body. Okay, this bar magnet. There will be a chance. There will be a torque like this. Okay. So what about here? Here it will be like. Okay. All right. So that's why we call it as moment of force. Okay. Then what is torque? Torque is equal to, okay, the two forces acting. And what about this value? This value will be L. What about this one? L. So we have got the value L and the length L. Okay. So we know that R cross F. What is torque? Torque is equal to R cross F. Here torque is equal to, how much is R? First we will consider this one, Fn. So R is equal to L, or I can call it as On. That would be fine. On cross F. How much is F? Fn. That is Fn. Plus, what about here? Which is equal to, it is nothing but OS cross Fs. Now you put the value of Fs and Fn. So tau is equal to L cross Qm into B plus again L cross Qm into B. So my question is, look at this. Here I have given one minus sign here. Okay, why this minus sign? It's because it is in the opposite direction. Okay, so now you can conclude that. Look at this. So now you look at what is Fs. The value of Fs, the magnitude of Fs is equal to magnitude of Fn. Okay, that is very clear. Only the direction, man. Only the direction is different. All other values are equal. So you take the torque value. Torque is equal to L cross Qm into B plus L cross Qm into B. So now we have considered only the magnitude of that value. And how much will be the magnitude, which is equal to 2, that is, what is Qm cross, L cross Qm into B? That is equal to L into Qm into B into sin theta. The magnitude, only the magnitude. Here also L into Qm into B into sin theta. Okay, so sin theta, like both the values are equal, so you can add them. So it will be torque is equal to, magnitude of torque is equal to 2 Qm L into 2 Qm L into B sin theta. What is 2 Qm L? What is 2 Qm L? Which is nothing but, all of you listen, which is nothing but 2 Qm L is equal to Pm, magnetic moment, into B into sin theta. So this is what is torque. This is what is torque. And look at this. What is this exactly? So when you look at the direction of torque also, then it will be, torque will be equal to Pm cross B. Pm cross B. So this is what is the torque equation. What is the direction of torque equation? What would you use? What method would you use to find out the direction of torque? You can use screw rule. Okay, so you can use screw rule, the direction of torque. Alright. Okay, so now let me ask you one thing. If theta is equal to 0 degree or 180 degree, what about torque value? Torque will be equal to 0. And what about if theta is equal to 90 degree? Then that is torque is equal to Pm into B, magnitude of Pm into magnitude of B. This is maximum. Okay. So these are the things about torque acting on a bar magnet. And look at the equation. You don't confuse with torque equation. It is Pm cross B. What is Pm? Pm is nothing but magnetic moment. Magnetic moment. Alright. So this is all about magnetic moment. The torque acting on a bar magnet when it is placed in a magnetic field. Okay, thank you.